Thank you for buying this 22155 metal art from Fixture Displays. This grasshopper is fabricated from sheet metal, nuts and bolts, and is electroplated to perfection. In this family of products, we have a wide variety of insects, animals, and plants. I encourage you to look at our product description and explore this entire family of products. It's an excellent choice for collections as well as for education purpose. I hope you love this product in this video. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.